In today's video, I'm going to teach you Adobe Photoshop how to save in high resolution. If you've finished a design or photo and want it to look crisp everywhere you share it, the key is exporting it the right way. High resolution comes down to preserving pixel detail and avoiding harsh compression. So we'll use export as in Photoshop and make a few smart choices to keep your image clean and sharp. Start with Photoshop open and your completed project on the canvas. Zoom in and scan edges, text, and fine details to confirm everything looks exactly how you want, because your export will mirror what you see here. Go to the File menu in the top left, choose Export, and then click Export As. This opens the window with all the settings we need for a high-quality result. Choose your file format thoughtfully. Select PNG when maximum quality is the top priority, or when your image has transparency, like logos or graphics with a clear background. PNG uses lossless compression, which means it keeps every bit of detail, though the file size will be larger. If transparency isn't required and you want a smaller file while still maintaining excellent clarity, choose JPEG. It's a great balance for sharing online or sending previews, and it keeps images looking clean without the heavy file size. Next, confirm image size and scaling. Make sure the width and height match your canvas dimensions and set scale to 100%. Keeping it at 100% avoids any upscaling or downscaling that can soften edges or blur fine details, which is crucial for maintaining a high resolution look. Under Resample, pick the method that best fits your image. Choose bicubic smoother if your image is already sharp and you want to maintain that smooth, clean look. Choose bicubic sharper if your image needs a little extra snap in the edges. These options control how pixels are handled if any size changes occur, and they help keep details consistent. At the bottom, you'll see metadata and color settings. Decide whether to keep or remove metadata. It won't affect image quality, but removing it can slightly reduce file size and strip out extra information. For color, leave the default settings as they are to ensure consistent color across devices and platforms without unexpected shifts. When you're satisfied, click Export. Choose where you want to save the file, give it a clear name, and click Save. That's all there is to it. Using these settings will help you keep your Photoshop images high resolution and high quality from start to finish. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.